Alright, so our garage door opener not working too good these days. So first thing I'm going to try, of course, is just replacing our little button battery here. And I installed this opener in 2014, so we've got a good life out of this battery. There's a little notch right here. Just stick something flat in there and give it a little twist. Opens it up like that. And the catch is on the back, so kind of want to open the front of it first. Alright. So there's our little button battery. You can just kick it out with your fingernail like boop. There you go. There's the old one. All used up. I can tell by the smell of it. I noticed that the logo is on the top side, so I'm going to put this one back in the same way so that it reads properly. And then, so this is going to go back in here, just like that. Load this from the back, where the little catch grabs it there. It's just going to grab right onto it. It's very easy, really. Just grab on there, you little catch. Grab it. Grab it. Grab that little. Alright, there we go. Okay. Oh, look at that. Okay. So there we go. Hit the button here and see what happens. Oh. Yeah, I've been opening and closing the garage door now for a few minutes. So we know it works. Now the garage door is going up. Now it went back up again. Let's see if we can get it down. So yeah, we know it works now. Hopefully this was helpful to you. And you'll give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Okay, so if you're